Okay, Orlando Pirates are back with a bang. So 3 Orlando Pirates, 0 Amazulu. So they managed to keep a clean sheet again and also scored 3 past Amazulu. I think Orlando Pirates overall performance, it was a 9 out of 10 performance. From goalkeeper Osipo Chain all the way up to Mbutuma. No, Mbutuma scored namhlanje, which is very, very important and a crucial moment for him to have scored, because I've said that Mbutuma is lucky to have Apolis Moremi and also Rele playing alongside him, Kulia front four Orlando Pirates. So if he cannot actually capitalize on that opportunity, I've said I don't think he will find another opportunity as this, because I don't see Apolis Mufugeng Moremi coming back to Orlando Pirates post World Cup that is on June in America. That's my opinion as far as Orlando Pirates players are concerned. But namhlanje he scored a very, very beautiful header. Rele played to Moremi, and Moremi played a cross, a good run by Mbutuma to anticipate that ball, and then a beautiful header. Phakathi ka-Allen, uFeliz, noMthethwa, and I think labo badlali should have done better, uFeliz, uMthethwa, and Allen, in terms of anticipating that play, and also because they are big boys, they should have actually headed that thing out of the way, not for Mbutuma to get that ball. As a solo Orlando Pirates player was attacking that ball, basically, I think it was a very, very poor defensive for Amazulu at that particular moment. But while we're speaking about Amazulu defense, I think Umzimela was brilliant. I think he deserves a man of the match performance. Should Amazulu could have gotten at least a draw on this game, I think he put on a man of the match performance. Umzimela, I think he made brilliant saves about 5 times, denying Orlando Pirates goal scoring opportunity. I think he denied to Moremi, he denied to Rele, he denied to Apolis, he denied to Svelebele, he denied to Tito, he denied to Cameron Denson. So there were so many saves that he pulled off from Umzimela that could have went in, and I think if he hadn't pulled those saves, the Pirates could have won this game easily with 10-0. That's how the Pirates was dominating a corner over Amazulu namhlanje. Amazulu came in with a 3-4-3, basically, but if you look at them, they came in with 5 defenders. So Udube and Hanamo, they were inverted as wing backs, and also Parat Bekonuz Kali and Open. I think they were very, very struggling to contain Urele, Umoremi, Apolis. The interchanging of position between Urele and Apolis is very, very incredible, because as Apolis plays as a half winger, sometimes you find him on the 10 role, and then Urele drops in and plays an 8, a collective ball, and comes with it. And Amaranza Ziwa Apolis no Moremi, and also Mbutuma frustrate Uzikali, Ubren, uFeliz, uMthethwa, kanye no-Allen. But I think Allen is a good defender. Keegan Allen is a good defender. It's just that izinto haven't clicked well lapha kuMazulu, and I think Open lapha noZikali need to find a way to actually shield that defense Amazulu, because they don't have the pace. So if they don't have the pace, playing against a player like Moremi and Apolis, who are pacey players, and also Mbutuma, these are pacey players, not really. So it's going to be very, very hard for them to track the movement of those players, and also continue trying to make sure that they defend also the mouth of the goal. So I think Uzikali and Open need to actually find their synergy in protecting that defense, Amazulu. So it was a 3-4-3. Up front, they had Uextain, Umatloko, Nomaqogola. I think Umatloko also had a brilliant solo run. On the left, attacking Usibelebele, and actually he succeeded to take on Usibelebele and pass him. Open net with only Usipo Chain to beat, and then he just missed the opportunity. He wasted actually a brilliant opportunity for Amazulu. And from that instance, the Pirates attacked. And then Urele found Moremi played in a cross, and then they found Mbutuma who had it, 1-0. Now, if you look at it 3-4-3, you could see that, okay, it's a transitional football for Amazulu. They will wait for the Pirate to come, defend the mouth of goal, make sure that they contain them if they play on the right, and also shift when the ball goes to the left. But as soon as the Pirates scored, that crumbles now, because you are chasing the game. So Lendo Tolumaqogolo or Matlogo and Extend with them long passes now goes out the window, because the Pirates has scored, and also they continue to press you. They're knocking relentlessly to you, wanting to break ama-lines and find ama-goals apho kuMzimela. Fortunately, uMzimela was excellent in that. While speaking about breaking ama-lines, I think when Mtajela Nomakhaula, their interchanging of position, I think it was brilliant on build-up phase, because most of the time, but when they do interchange, I think it was very, very brilliant, because they push Spelebele down the line and also Ndabatande down the line. We were very, very good in actually playing down the lines and as wing backs, but to opening Gasbis, CM, allowing Uchain to actually come in a little bit. I think it was also brilliant on the build-up phase, and also Mtajela dropping in to collect the ball and break the first line of defense, AmaZulu Matlogolo, extend Nomakogola, to find at least Turele or Apolis, who were very, very good in terms of running between the lines, which he passed becoming Mtajela also break the second line, the midfield line of defense, AmaZulu, to find Turele between the lines, in midfield and the defense, which makes it very, very hard for AmaZulu to contain them on that advanced attacking zone. So, was it not for Mzimela, I think it was going to be very, very embarrassing for AmaZulu. Apolis, I think it's a 9 out of 10 performance, or 8 out of 10 performance. I think if he scored that penalty, he could have easily walked out with the man of the match, but I think Apolis was very, very brilliant in this game. But also both of them, I think they complement each other very, very well. Lapaglia, role number 10, and also with these half spaces and playing as half wingers, and also Morimi, how he actually integrates into that. I think it's very, very beautiful in their own song. And I think Amaranzo Ambutuma also are beginning to be clear on how he actually wants to actually drift away with the defense and actually leave his space for a player like a police, also Mofoken. But those are the players, even if the defense is tight, they can create a space on a compact defense by having that extra touch. That extra touch will actually move a little bit it defense AmaZulu also in midfield, and that little bit of space that is opening there, they are able to actually take shots outside the box and actually score. And that's how really Apolis scored their goals. And I think that goal really, I think it is also a contender of the goal of the season. And looking at them, both Apolis and Mfoken, I think they are contenders of the player of the season, both of them. And they have a potential to actually run for leading goal scorer of the season. Looking at the fact that Turele is with 10 goals, and also the leading goal scorer is, I think, 12 goals, 2 goals ahead of Turele. I think it's possible for them to actually catch up with these guys and actually take even that award. It's looking very, very beautiful for Amapagania right now, and they did themselves a favor by winning this game. Now they took out a little bit of pressure from them. Now we are looking at how the season is going to progress, because this win actually set them into a good song going to the Soweto Derby over the weekend. I think it was very, very brilliant that they won with 3-0. So now the whole week is preparing the derby, and if they win that derby game, now a little bit of pressure is moved off of them. The pressure is back into Sundowns, who are 2 games in hand, to ensure that they win both those games in hand to reclaim their top or their number 1 sports premiership. And I think it's very, very interesting what is happening right now. And I'm seeing Pirates going to Derby having introduced Umbule. I think Umbule came in for Mtajela, and he settles on that middle of the park, and then he makes the Orlando Pirate plays. His introduction makes everybody want to play. Everybody wants the ball. So that's the confidence that Umbule oozes with, and that actually infectious, because it infects all the players in that field of play to want to play football. And the type of football that they play as soon as Umbule came in, and how they controlled the game off of AmaZulu, I think there was no way AmaZulu were going to come back from this from that 3-0. It was very, very beautiful to watch. And also introduction got Tito, and also introduction Cameron Dancing, Radio Pane. I think we are going to Derby very, very good. And also the pool of players, having had minutes in the field of play, I think it's going to be very, very good going to Derby over the weekend. So congratulations Pagania, ezinyama ngekane zakhe bulumhlaba uMasipala. Sisakhona namanje until the end of the season, so besibangena wahla bam. My name is Sipho Ndlovu. This is Nevertheless Commentaries at Sipho Sport. From me to you, I'm saying a pronto piacere. I will see you on the next one after I can make the Chiefs. Take care of yourself.